Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram DM glitch. So the answer is simple. You can go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section. Then go to the search and search on Instagram. Okay, so as you see, next go to the storage, and here you'll find this cache, clear cache. Click on clear cache and then go check if it worked. If it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again, you can maybe try to clear data, but be careful. When you clear data, you will lose all your data. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.